Thukuru wa AIRITU wa St Mary's Lwak kaunti-ini ya SIAYA riu umurikitwo na njira ciothe kurumirira giko kia ica ikuhi kuria murutwo wa ndini ya GIITHIRAMU ahingiriirio nja thutha wa gwikinyia ehumbite hijab. Giko giki gitumurite ndereti hiyo ya wiyathi wa ndini mathukuru-ini umuthi mwandiki MUKARU ministry-ini ya githomo Julius Bitok akigomerwo ni ihinda irito mbere ya kamiti ya mbunge igie mahuthiro ma kigina kia muingi.
You swore to defend the constitution. The constitution is very clear on freedom of worship. So why should the Muslim girl be denied to enter school? That's the question.
No person, not even a child, should be discriminated
because of their religion.
Yes, because of their religion or otherwise.
Yes, okay.
Kuringana na kamiti ino guku ni kwagarara kihoto na wiyathi wa ndini kuri murutwo uyu uria kurikanite ta Samira Ramadhan makiorota ministry ya githomo ni gukorwo itakinyukitie ikinya o riothe.
Should we discriminate hijab students, Muslim students, or what does the law say? As much as you are requesting for more time, what does the law say? Because there is no need of that girl being sent away, and you can make your statements here, and the students, the teachers will allow those students to class.
There should be no discrimination whatsoever on matters of religion, on matters of any faith, and it is very clear. That's why I requested Honorable Chair that you give us more time, because the story we are getting from the Sub-County Director of Education in the preliminary report and what we are getting from the school seem to be requiring further investigation to understand really what happened with this on this particular issue.
Ona thengia ya kugeria gwitetera Bitok danaheo kanya ambunge ya riu makienda murutwo uyu gukorwa shokete thukuru gukinyiria rucio.
That's the question, why? So you are going to seek more time and the girl is staying at home.
Yeah,
that's not fair.
Yeah, the girl must go back to school.
Yes, who is tying your hands to make a decision? Why don't you pronounce yourself?
I would suggest that you give a direction of fast-tracking establishing the fact and a way of responding to us so urgently with the measures that the PS will have taken.
I will ensure that the girl gets back to school as soon as possible.
And now, immediately. Yes.
As soon as today.
GIIKARO gia kamiti ino gikuhaririirio niguo guthurima riboti ya muthurimi wa mathabu ma thirikari ikonie mahuthiro ma kibeca ministry-ini ya githomo gatagati ka mwaka wa 2020 na 2024. Riboti iria hithuritie mahoro tabarira-ini ngurani ari hamwe na mutaratara wa motungata ma urigitani wa arutwo wa Edu Afya.
There was one excessive remittance of about 2.2 billion as summarized below. That is to Edu Afya. For Edu Afya purpose program.
GIIKARO giki ona kuhanuro uguo kiraririirio muthenya ungi ministry ya githomo ikiurio kuhariria macokio makinyaniru kuringana na riboti iria tamanirio mbere ya kamiti ino ni muthurimi wa mathabu ma thirikari.
I, Julius Bitok, do swear that the evidence I shall give before this committee.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV jitagwo Ngena wa Wadiro.